Mass Fabricator 60-second tips and reviews. Tensile strength versus elongation versus hardness. When they're doing material testing, especially on your certs, at times they will do a pull test, and that's where these numbers come in. Tensile strength is basically the max pressure before the material fractures. Like 6150, right, is 97,200. AR 200,000. So it's double the tensile strength as a 6150. Elongation is how much it stretches before it breaks. So I'm just using these at random, so elongation is 23% before it fractures, and AR is 12%. So that's how you read the tensile strength and elongation.